Well, hello. Well, hello everybody. As you can see, Jessie is being rather active actually at the moment. I'm just going to try and climb over here, and I think he might be kind of saying to me, I might venture on out today, Mum. And of course, one-handed with Jess. Well, we don't do one-handed with this boy, do we? Hello, darling. It is not tucker time. So not tucker time. Okay? But you're more than welcome to come on out, even though I've just got through leaving a comment to a friend about Miss Tessa's day today. And I turned around and it wasn't Miss Tessa. Never Miss Tessa at a door, but it was actually Jessie. So I thought to myself, well, okay, it looks like it might be Jessie Day. Well, not Jessie Day. Jessie can come out for now, but it certainly doesn't mean that Tessa's not going to be coming out as well. So I'm not going to, of course, and I really, as you know, I hate to disturb Jessie because we know what a panicker he can tend to be. As you can see. Oh, dear me. No, don't try and squiggle out of my hands, darling. I'm trying to give you a hand and make life easier for you to still come. Oh, I don't even know where he's going. In the back of the couch there. Of course, you know I need two hands, so I'm going to... Hello. I can... Well, you're blurred because the camera's way too close. You know that I do need two hands, obviously, so I'll spin you around if you can see me. And I'll try and bring the rest of him out. I've no idea where the camera is, what you're going to be able to see and not be able to see. So let's just give it our best shot with this big dude and see how much of him I can get out. Wow, that was pretty easy. Actually, I'm very surprised because normally that tail is very much wiggling and jiggling and trying to find somewhere to grip, and he didn't, but then he really wanted to actually come on out. So I will move. Well, I haven't even got this thing open very well. Well, maybe I have. I don't know. I'm still figuring this darn camera out. Talk about complicated for me. No, I'm just a very simple girl these days in my life. My main interest is not technology, though you need a computer and you need to have some sort of editing program, of course, these days. But that's the best I can do, really, these days. And of course, I don't know where my boy wants to go. He's doing a very good job, actually. I don't know if I can zoom out. Can't zoom out, guys. You can only zoom in. I'm going to put the light on. Like I've said, this camera is pretty good in low light. I've been very surprised with how well, because you know how dark this room is to video in. And I've got so many dark videos that have been disappointing, actually. When I've sat down to watch them and I've gone, I don't even want to put that one up. But I'll turn you around at the moment because this dude wants to come out too. I mean, it it doesn't just rain here. It pours some days. Of course, Lily, he's looking in that mode of there is every possibility that she will be wanting out today. So, life, people, when you have very, very, very social snakes, such as I do. Oh, I could feel his little head coming around there. It's coming up over. Come on, make up your mind, Jessie. Where are you going to go? Hey? When you've got more than a couple of snakes, which I have 8 that live with me, 1 that doesn't. I'll not be forgetting Lucy in amongst all of this. But basically, how I see it is, you don't get left with a lot of time if you are somebody that very much lives her life around allowing her snakes to come out. And that is what I do. You know, that is my life. I let my snakes come out a lot. So, Jessie, you're making me turn and turn and turn. Yes, there he is. But I'm going to let Jess go. Let Jessie go climbing is what I'm going to do. If I can get that in view and get him to spin around, which is not easy, guys. So back this way, darling. You're right? Okay. If I get him going at this particular point, then I will be able to let Jack out. So Jessie is going to have to wait a little bit, and I would love to take Jack outside actually at the moment, but with Jessie out and about, I can't exactly do that. He's not a lily. He is not a snake that I can just let out and he will settle somewhere. Jessie is a big explorer, and I can't walk out that front door and feel comfortable sitting outside for, you know, even a couple of minutes when Jessie is out. But let's get back to, of course, Jack. And I'm going to have to head Jack up into this direction today so that they've each got a little bit of space. Jessie hasn't been showing any signs of the fact that he really wants to breed at the moment, but he is a male snake. It is breeding season as well, and I of course have Lily in the house, who is sending off all those wonderful delicious hormones that our boy snakes like. So I would like to keep Jessie over there and Jack preferably over there, so they've each got their space. I don't believe that they would be in any way fighting or having any issue about anything, so I'm quite comfortable in letting this big boy come on out. Come in. Oh shoot. Oh, I said shoot because I pulled by the door handle and it came off, but that's okay. Mum can still get the door open with or without a door handle, can't she? Hey bud, how you doing? I haven't had Lily on me. I've just had another boy snake on me today, or just a minute ago actually, Jack. So I can't see if I'm focused, but I just keep moving the camera. Hey, keep moving the camera, and hopefully we're kind of in focus, because I like to see your face. So excuse me. Basically, I want to talk a little bit about, what are my videos about? And I know you're going to say, oh gosh, Kay, it's about snakes. That's what your videos are about. Or it's about caring for them and so forth. And that's very true as well. So I'm not really telling you anything that you don't really know there. And I know that I don't do a massive amount of what would be considered care videos. And yet, that's exactly what my videos are. It's just showing you every day, sorry buddy, I understand. It's okay, come on. Okay. That's what he wants me to do, guys, is give him a bit more support under his belly. Otherwise, he would have headed back in because he wasn't feeling secure enough. This is what I mean, guys, about knowing your snakes and understanding what is going on for them. And that's all he really wanted me to do, was to help him get the majority of his body out. And then of course Jack can take control all by himself. He doesn't need me. And now he'll do what he wants to do all by himself. Though occasionally he'll want me, of course, to help him up there. But he is quite capable of doing that. He's just kind of a little bit mum reliant in many ways. Of course Jessie is still up there. But yeah, care videos. This is pretty much what I do whenever I pick up the camera. I may not be talking about humidity and temperatures and their homes and setting up homes and all the rest of it. I do it, which is, I wouldn't even say differently, because it's really more about me showing you that yes, snakes are pets too, and there's more to them than their homes and their care requirements as such, because this and getting them out to me is as much about their care as in there. And in having snakes as pets, and to say my snakes are my pets, this is what you do to have snakes as pets. Lily's sitting in there 24/7, 7 days a week, coming out when I only needed to come out because I'm cleaning up something, and half the time I don't even need to get Lily or Jessie or Jack out to clean up, because none of them could care less about me doing anything in their enclosures. But letting your snakes come out when you see them at the door, spending time with them, and that, like as you know with me, isn't holding them necessarily. It's about letting them go and letting them do what they want to do around the place. Me not forcing them to do anything. That is having snakes as pets. It is more enjoyable. I think it's more enjoyable to have snakes this way than the other way. And of course, always remember, that's my personal opinion, guys. That's just my personal opinion on having snakes as pets in your life, not just having snakes to breed in your life. They're two different things. And, you know, if you've only got, like me, 8 snakes, and you've got 5 females and a few males, you could still do this. No reason why you can't. When you're getting up into the 20, 30, 40, 50s, it's impossible to do this and live this lifestyle with your snakes. But I think a lot of people never ever saw them as being like this. Wow. You mean you let your snakes out and you just let them explore, and you let them do what they want to do and go where they want to go within reason? Yes, I do. Absolutely, I do. And I think my snakes love it. They've grown up being able to do it, and it wouldn't be a very good thing for me to all of a sudden stop it either. I think they wouldn't like it, actually, to be honest with you. So that is how I care for my snakes, and showing you videos about how I care for my snakes. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, and I'm making sure I don't press that record button, because I just did, and I'm thinking, why did you cut off on me? Maybe it was telling me the video's been long enough anyway, guys, so turn it off, alright? And of course, I'll go up here just so you can see Jesse, because he is still there, and I think he's maybe going to make himself a little bit comfortable. He won't stay there for long, guys. He'll eventually, everything will get the better of him, and he'll start exploring. So, yep, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.